With Ukraine's drone army closing the previously safer time Russia had during the night, as their night drones can effectively take out their equipment, often to a bigger surprise as the night hides the drone. Here a Ural truck was delivering troops to a house to be stationed, with the drone going back and forth to get a better overview, striking the cargo space first. With a secondary drone being sent to destroy the truck, making sure the equipment gets destroyed, having started a fire burning it all down, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.